Hey guys, getting paid instant payouts on Stripe is very easy to do. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open up any web browser and search for dashboard.stripe.com in the search bar. Now wait till the dashboard page loads up. From here, select Settings on the top right corner. And from this page, you need to look for Business Settings and then tap on External Payout Accounts and Scheduling. Now you can see Payout Schedule. So we can set this to every single day. But if you want to get paid instantly on Stripe, you need to follow certain requirements, such as your account must be 60 days old and you actually need to have $5,000 worth of sales. So, instant payouts is not an option for everyone to start with. But if you fill these certain requirements, you can surely get access to this in the future. And you can get paid instantly as soon as you get a sale. If you activate instant payouts once it is available in your account.